Here's what 2 lobster tails do to your blood sugar. This is about 10 to 12 ounces with the shell, and only about 5 ounces without in total. And these are 2 lobster tails. And the macros are about 140 calories, 30 grams of protein, 1.5 grams of fat, and 0 carbs. So this should not affect it, but let's see. All right, let's dig in. All right, all done. I'm gonna wait 2 hours and come back with the results, so stay tuned. All right, so 2 hours have passed by and I started at 89 milligrams per deciliter. 2 hours later, I was at 85 milligrams per deciliter. So I actually went down 4 points. I did have butter and lemon juice with this. Surprisingly, I don't know why it went down. I figured anytime you eat, it might spike up. But I'm pretty happy with this results, and I definitely will have lobster tails in the future for glucose sensitivity. And yeah, hopefully this is helpful for you. And don't forget to comment any requests that you guys want me to do or eat so I can show you guys the results, and subscribe to see results of requests, other people's requests. And yeah. All right, guys, take care. Bye.